My memories of growing up on a farm were awesome. I got home from school, got off the school bus and went to work with my father, and in the weekends we fished and we hunted and we were outdoors all the time, and that's, yeah, I wanted that life for myself, and then as I carried on I wanted it for my kids. So I'm Paul Smith. I'm a farm manager at the bottom of the South Island of New Zealand, and I'm pretty lucky to do it. I think wool is an awesome product because sheep produce it naturally, and it's the ultimate sustainability because they grow it back every year. They just keep growing it. So for their welfare we take it off it, but it means we can use it as a valuable product.
My name is Rafael Elizondo. I'm the category manager for carpets in IKEA, and I'm here in New Zealand to learn, to meet our partners, and to get inspiration about how we can transform the wool industry together.
Yes, yes.
Wool is a fantastic material. It's sustainable, it's also renewable, and it provides different properties to our products. In IKEA, we want to move towards more sustainable materials in the products that we produce. We use wool in many products, and today we don't always know where it comes from. To change this, we need to work with traceability to know where the wool is coming from at all times, in every step of the rug making process. One way we have identified is RWS, which means Responsible Wool Standard. This guideline will let us know that the animals are treated well, that the land is managed properly. So we have established a network of trusted partners throughout the value chain that will help us and support us in securing that our wool is RWS wool. IKEA has been in India since many years, and we have many partners here who are helping us in providing beautiful products to our customers. We choose India because India has a long tradition on carpet weaving. Every time I visit our partners in India, I get very inspired. I see how much focus we put on sustainability, on the quality, and also the social aspect.
My name is Najam Ansari. I am the Managing Director of Anisa Carpets Limited. With IKEA's initiative, we are working with RWS wool. We keep the wool separately for traceability. We like working with the wool because it has long fiber, it has a sheen, it is very good quality, and gives us a real good feeling that people there look after the sheep very well, from where we get the wool, which is the heart of our rugs, you know.
This is only the beginning. We are definitely not there yet, but we're opening up for the first time. But why we're doing it, it's because we want others to join us. We want others to help us drive this change. Ultimately, what we're after is to make responsibly sourced wool affordable for as many customers as possible.